The S&P 500 daily cloud chart shows the lagging line 26 bars back, close to hitting the bottom of the cloud, 4305.29, and there's really nothing in between price and that level back here. And price in the pre-market hours for the S&P 500 at 6:33 a.m. Central Time on the 28th is 42.71. And the only gray area there is plus or minus 10 points from the pre-market hours is the pivot point right here. As you can see, to the upside is R1, that's a moving target. There's that weekly 2018 broadening top in dashed red that we looked at the other day. And R2 is right there, daily horizontal line here. And then to the downside is this daily Bollinger Band, lower band, S2, S1, the daily qualified and confirmed 100% propulsion exhaustion down, where if that gets tagged, there could be a high probability of more downside. 200 EMA, the daily channel 3 low, that measure from the pennant breakout that we looked at for the weekly chart, and top of the super bullish wedge from 5/10/2021, horizontal support 05/10/2021, lower Stark band, pitchfork 1, the bottom of the gap zone, and trend factor down 3. And there was some buying yesterday on the 27th right around this 42.30 to 42.40 zone. So right in there, that's a very important area, as we've seen. And the qualified demand projection was tagged at that level, and like I said, there was some buying in between that zone 42.30 up to here 42.60. And for right now, price is above all these support levels. You can see the Stark band, lower band, Bollinger band, lower band, the 200s EMA, and channel 3 low, all right there. And for right now, price is above all of them. And there's the 200 simple moving average, and with this low of 4238.63, that means the daily D wave up projection, which is the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement from the close of where D wave up wave 2 and D wave up wave 3 printed the closes. So 61.8 was tagged, and that was at 42.43.12. So both the weekly and daily D wave up wave 4 is validated. So we are definitely on D wave up wave 5, and that's right up there with D wave up wave 3 as being the best wave to get on board with. As you can see, 3 did pretty good, but we might have to have a little bit more pain before we get to realize that. But it's reaching its limit, and the New York traditional McClellan breath oscillator improved greatly. Now it's only 2,602 advancers over decliners required to get back to 0. And yesterday it was 3378. And the combo and sequential by setup 9 end count was printed and perfected. So that puts the ceiling over here at 4505.10, the close of that bar that I mentioned in the previous video.